Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please do so now. Subscribe. Okay, so I'm here to let you know about my retinization process. We're in week 3. Yes, week 3. Yes, week 3. So I just finished doing my week 3 treatment. That includes washing my face, my regular line, washing my face, and all that good stuff. And so tonight's, so week 3 and 4, we're adding straight pure retinol. The other nights we've been diluting it with facial milk. The facial milk. This is the retinol here, and then we've been diluting it with facial milk. Every time I don't ever have this out. So tonight I got to put all the retinol on my face. I didn't dilute it at all. So pure retinol, 1 pump. And then I did 2 pumps of the facial milk. So I'm excited about this. So for week 3 and 4, which we have a tracker, you can see I've been writing my dates in, keeping up with it. We will add pure retinol to our skin, and then in progress we add more and more till you feel, I don't know if you can tell a difference, but I can see a difference in my skin. I know I feel real moisturized right now. I feel like I'm shiny, but man, we talked about that little spot. I still see it, and when I get close to the camera, you can. That was prior to the retinization process, and then the bumps under there, like they're clearing up from the mask. And this past week, only thing I experienced was some flakiness in right in this area here. And I post a picture, let you see it, but I was flaky just a little bit. It wasn't nothing too much. So that's the only thing that I have experienced with using the clinical solutions. I'm enjoying this experience. I love how my face is feeling. I mean, it feels amazing, guys, like for real. It really feels amazing. I'm excited about these results. Once again, it is an 8-week retinization process. We're in week 3. If you've been following along with me, if not, you can go back to week 1 and week 2, and I'll tell you everything that we did and kind of show you. I washed my face one night. So just going along with the process of the clinical solutions. If you have any questions, you want to be a part of this, you want to try out this, I am your girl to get you this clinical solution. It comes as a set. If you like more information, please let me know. Comment, send me a DM, because I will share this on my Facebook channel as well. So as long as you get in contact with me, let me know. The thing about this retinization, it is pure retinol. So there's a process that you have to go through. You just can't slather something on your face. It is a process that you have to go through. So Mary Kay came up with this tracker, this 8-week tracker. And what that's doing is getting your skin used to the product, gradually introduce it to your skin. It helps if you're already on a skincare regimen. As I told y'all before, I use a Time-Wise repair line. So with my night cream, it already have some retinol inside of it. So my face is used to some retinol. It is encapsulated retinol. And so tonight, with tonight thing, I did pure retinol, and this is 0.5. And if you have any other cosmetics out there that you know about retinol, to know if it's the real deal, it need to have some kind of percent or number in there. Point something, it need to say something. If not, it's not pure retinol. This right here is pure retinol. You see it, it's a retinol 0.5. So that's how you know you have the real stuff. And like I said, inside of my night cream, it's encapsulated, and so you don't see a percentage on there. That's the reason why. What else I want to say? But if you have any questions, just let me know. I'm enjoying this journey. I really am. I'm enjoying my skin. I'm trying to see what else can come out of here. It's going to help with your firmness of your face. I will reread for the purpose of somebody that may come in on this video and not get video 1 and 2. But Mary Kay Clinical Solution is a retinol 0.5 set, introduces a new level of dermal cosmetic performance to complement your nighttime skincare routine. So we apply this at nighttime, just so you know that. If you're serious about taking care of your skin, you'll love this new serum powered by pure retinol. It is the gold standard ingredient dermatologists recommend for adults of every age to prevent signs of visible aging you can't see yet, and also to reverse advanced visible signs of aging. And it also tells in here why is it so effective. Retinol stimulates surface skin cell renewal skin, so skin appears more as it did when you were younger. It supports natural collagen and lecithin, improving the appearance of collagen depleted skin. And if I'm not mistaken, that once we turn 20, our skin begin to lose collagen. So that's why we would use these products. That's one reason why you would use it. And like I told you before, the retinol, this is the retinol. The retinol takes offensive against a trifecta of age-related issues: wrinkles, discoloration, and loss of facial firmness. And only thing it takes is one pea size. So as you see on this picture, it's just that little amount right there. One pea size. That's all it takes. You don't have to have a whole lot. One pea size. And then the second step is the Calm Plus Restore Facial Milk. This is what this is. Mary Kay Clinical Solutions Calm Plus Restore Facial Milk features plant oils, coconut, java seed, sunflower, and olive to deliver a powerful shot of rich fatty acids to nourish, soothe, ideal for retinal treated skin. So if you're experiencing some type of burnings, itching, then you apply that Calming Milk on there. You can apply it throughout the day as needed. The other weeks I have not applied it, had to use any extra to apply it, only when I did the retinol process itself. So I have not had to use it, the next day or wake up in the night having to do it. Right now I don't experience no tingling, burning, nothing like that right there. So everything is good. So I'm enjoying that I'm not having no kind of reaction. And just so you know, when you're introducing something like this to your skin, there may be some type of reaction. So that's why we're just doing it as a slow process as we go each week. Week 1 and 2, we did 1 pump and 2 pumps of this, and we diluted. That means we mixed it together. We mixed it together and then applied it on our face because we just didn't want to come in and do that. So we did that for week 1 and 2, and now we in week 3. So for week 3 and 4, we can do, if you feel comfortable, you can go ahead. If you're not having any experience and no problems with the process so far, you can do the pure retinol, 1 pump. And after that, you put it on your face. And then you will do still 2 pumps of the Calming Milk. So that's what I did. Put that on there. And then I waited. And I went ahead with the rest of my process, which is included my lifting serum. And I did the eye cream before I did the retinol on my face. So I just had the lifting serum and the night cream to add, and then it's done. So it is add a couple steps when you're doing it on this night. So my regular night, I'm just doing 4 steps. My cleanser, lifting serum, eye cream, and my night cream. So it's an easy process. Nothing hard about it. Like I said, I can express that I'm so excited about it. So you will see it on Facebook. You will see it here on YouTube. I'm going to keep on talking about it because I want you guys to be a part of my process. Each week that we go through it, I will make a video so you can see and you'll be able to see the difference. Next week, we'll be taking pictures. So I still have been documenting, like tonight, I take pictures and I will document every week that I've done. And so we'll be able to see the process of all 4 weeks because we're halfway. We'll be at the halfway point next week. So next Thursday, we will be doing week 4. So I hope you come back and follow along with my journey of the Mary Kay Clinical Solutions. So this is what it is, as I said. If you're interested in buying, please let me know. If you have any questions, like any other new product, we have the frequent asked questions. So I will have your answer for you. No question is a dumb question. So you can ask me anything that you want and I'll be sure to give the answer to you. Once again, if you have not, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. If you know anyone that needs a Mary Kay beauty consultant, I'm your girl. Please send them my way. I do offer referral gifts. So let me know if you refer someone to me and they let me know that you referred them, then you will get a gift from me. Once again, thank you for taking the time out to watch my video. You have a great day. Bye-bye.